Alright. So, it's 4:30 in the morning and the mighty Commodore has lost all power. It's finally packed up and said no more. Where's the key? Oh, the key's in my pocket. Just sounds like it's got no power. I'd say the alternator's died, but didn't have any dash lights, just stalled. Oh, why don't you go in now? Oh, okay. That's all I get. Ticket. You piece of shit. You even put a full tank of fuel in it yesterday. What a waste. We'll see if we can fix it this Arvo. Maybe. Oh well. My lift should be here any second. Because I still have to go to work, to the day job. Alright. It is now daylight after work, many hours later. And we found our problem. This is not in the alternator charging. So that's sitting there. We've now jumper cabled from there through the window.
This is against my recommendations.
Under there. What are you talking about? It's a race
my
car.
seal of approval.
It's a race car. Alright. I'm gonna...
Can you watch this so does it smash the glass?
What have you done?
Out of the door. What? See, it might happen.
Alright, I'm gonna drive, so we'll come back to this. Hey, thanks for picking me up from work.
Alright, buddy.
Hey, it's pretty good, right? Send me a copy of that. All of it. Alright, there's like 2 big hills, so as long as I make them, I'm good. Well, we're not sure. There we go, we shifted. I think this is a good idea. Absolutely nothing wrong with it. Oh, some white wool. We go.
That was the quickest dual battery system you've ever done.
Yeah, no one died. It's basically a full-blown race car now.
Yeah, you didn't even get over the roll cage.
We should disconnect that. Alright, you disconnect. Alright, positive is off. Negative's off. I'll leave that in there. I'm just going to leave it there for now, but also the windscreen cracked a little bit more. Yeah. Look, this is all bent. I don't know what happened. It smashed my window.
How is that so bad?
Now it's cracked. Yeah, I don't know. I think we just pull it off, new terminal, everything, hope. Maybe some solder, a bit of glue, a bit of spit on it. I don't fucking know.
I think the terminal slap on there.
Okay, let's do that.
The belt's getting a bit frayed on the edges.
Don't worry about that.
It's actually missing part of the belt.
Yes, it is. I might actually order a belt and radiator hose.
What?
No, just a hose.
What? spending money on this thing.
I'm gonna buy a new hose because that's fucked.
You're fine.
Like,
Also, we need to release this. It says that's air.
yeah.
No, she's pressurized now.
Very pressurized now. Whatever, he doesn't have done a head gasket. Because it did go quite hot the other day.
Nah, she's fine.
Yeah.
Well, you thought this had already done a head gasket.
Yeah. Which I'm still thinking it has.
Here he comes. Wow, Jessica's slow.
Yeah, no, like.
Your friend drives like a never.
Wow, look at that. It's definitely been close to a fire. I don't know how it didn't catch fire. Look at that.
You still video?
Yeah. I stopped while I drove for a little bit.
No, that's why I got up next to you. I was like, yo man, there's something hanging out of your bonnet.
Did you smell the fire?
No. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
when
I was like, oh god, I hope that's not fucking me.
I smelled on the way there too, so I was like, oh, it's me.
I did not.
I did. So I was like, oh shit. My little rocket.
Yeah. I believe you. Alright, let's get a crimp and I believe a 12. It's actually quite a big thing.
It is. I was gonna have like 90 amps going through it.
Alright, let's get some stuff and come back. Alright, things are happening. Don't mind all the solder, there was some issues and I'm not buying a new alternator even though this alternator's not fucked, but we can't get the nut off the back just yet. Look at that, brand new, never know. It's also on the crank, on the harmonic balancer, and power steering pulley, and idler, tensioner, whatever you want. I've cut and tinned this wire. It is still live. We're now going to join another bit like that, but longer, and do its thing. But I got to get this off, and it's actually really rusted. Like it's full on shit in there. Got the factory wire, did a really hideous solder joint, added some fresh wire, new crimp, new nut because we had to cut the old nut off because it was all mangled. There was a big debacle. Got everything back in, the belt's on. We're about to start it, hopefully it works. And yeah. Are you checking this or what? What are you doing? You guys just hanging out together in the toilet? It's weird, man. Even worse because you're brothers.
You might need to jump it off your main battery.
Fuck you, don't tell me what to do.
This is a secondary battery system.
Here we go.
Rocket on that starter.
Alright. I'll turn this.
Jumpers up, Jesse. Yep, they're hooked.
Are they the right way?
Oh, the way they work.
Is that the right way?
Sure.
I'm gonna edit all this out. Like 90% of the shit.
I was going to say yours is too long. Is it hooked up? Yeah. Start. Well, we should see the solder flow off.
Hey, the idle's not monstrously high anymore.
We've reset the ECU.
The idle was at like $2,000 last night. We were sitting at a set of lights like, "Argh." Hey. Yeah, 30. Fixed. We should probably.
Yeah, you should just go that. Why would you make that? Why is that changed?
I'm assuming because that alternator's under load and there's a dodgy connection there somewhere. Probably Ben's, not mine.
It's going to overheat again. There's an arc out.
I don't know if this fan works either. I might let it idle till it gets hot. I've never checked the gearbox fluid in this either. Which, judging by how much was outside of it, what are you doing? Should we try to fix this hinge with a hammer? No, I think just like hit it with a hammer. A blade. I probably should have put this back on. That's very much not in a good way. That's how you pick up a blade. I think it's fixed. It sounds healthier. We should check if there's oil in it. I haven't checked that since I've been driving it.
Ah, well,
Did we check it before we drove it? I think we checked it when we were looking for a head gasket. Like,
run for like 10 minutes, charge battery. Or just
probably should let it run.
right, let's take all tools, take the slip onto it, come back.
I don't think we'd bother with it because judging by how it was running, we're going to be pulling this apart again in like a month.
Well, it doesn't, it's not a longevity thing, it's stopping it shorting and catching the fire thing.
It's not going to short, it's insulated. And that, like, there was 2 lots of heat shrink put on that one joint.
20 micron heat shrink is really going in the hole.
But it's not near the body. I'm more worried about my windscreen cracking even more every time I open it.
This is what happened to the last fucking while in here.
Oh wow, it cracked all the way over here.
Yeah.
That's the inside layer.
I don't know what happened. We would have heard that happen.
I noticed it when I was driving, so...
That should not be an interference with.
Do we hit that? Or do I just get this shifter that's in my hand and try to do what I can with a 4-inch shifter? Alright, I think I'm done with this fix video. We'll see what happens if I smash it. Oh shit, someone's gone off. Damn. We might go back, see if he's alright. So this happened today. Well, that happened a week ago, then we taped it up and it's happened again.
It's been working.
No, it's because I told you it's flat.
I'll get the dooga flaps.
Yeah, I wouldn't stand near that. That is white hot water. No, I can't. It's on the other side. Your Triton's in the way. Because that's the right tools. Right tools to fix that. Hang on.
Take on the neck of that near my tools, you think?
What?
That's actually yours.
What are you doing?
I think it's cold.
Why are you feeling cold?
Oh,
I'm going to put this on the gas bottle because that's always safe. And because this has been...
There you
There we go, that happened.
that worked.
Oh, watch your hand there, that's the low side you're on.
Yep, so that's over there. I'm trying to get this down to.
It's weird, it almost sounds like a kettle boiling right now.